Hi, I'm so excited that you're using some of the math resources that I've put together. I just wanted to make a quick note about some things. So, most of the games that the kids are able to access through this document, they've learned those skills before. So, counting, the base 10 blocks, the shapes, those kinds of things, we've already been over those standards or those skills. They might need a little bit of help with that, but for the most part, once you kind of like get them back into the groove of things, it should click and they should remember. What we have not been over yet is addition and subtraction. So some of the kids have had some experience with that. Maybe you've worked with that skill at home with them, which is awesome. Or they've used it on iReady because iReady is individualized. So some kids have gotten to that point, but other kids haven't. We are supposed to start addition and subtraction within the upcoming weeks. So I'll be teaching that digitally. But if they want to choose to go ahead and play, the monster games or the spinning wheel games with addition and subtraction, I would recommend please give them some paper, a pencil, a crayon, a marker, something so that they can practice drawing and understanding the concepts. So really fast, if you open the additional math resources document and you click to addition to 10 with no pictures, it's going to take you right to the monster game, like I've said before, and then you can change the number of possible answers and then play. The kids can choose something. So let's say they want to give them a teddy bear. Now what happens in class is kids see this and they're like, this one. And they're not really learning anything. They got it wrong. Well, they know that this one is right. So that's not really helpful. What is helpful is getting a paper or a pencil or whatever it is that is available and drawing the circles, which I've worked with some of them before in class, drawing the circles to help them count. So what I have is a board and a marker. I grabbed this from school, so I'm going to click on something, 6 plus 1. So I have to draw 6 and one more. So you might need to help them with this. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus one more. And then obviously count because that's how we add, but some of them don't know that yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they need to practice doing the work to help them solve the problem, because just guessing until they get the right answer is not helpful. So, and then they can go from there and then erase and then try another one. Now, I know that you all know how to add at home, but I just wanted to kind of give you a visual of what it should look like when you're helping your child, just to make things a little bit easier. The same thing goes for subtraction. So if you go back to the additional math resources and you want to do subtraction, click on the monster. You can change the number of answers or leave it at 4. Press play, start, and then choose something. 5, take away 2. Now, it's difficult in kindergarten because they really need to pay attention to that sign. Well, we haven't learned signs yet. So whether they're adding or subtracting, it's all the same to them unless they're looking at that sign, and that's when they might really need your help. So 5, take away 2. So the same thing. You're going to draw the circles. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away 2 of them. So you can cross them out, you can erase them, whatever. I'm going to cross them out. Take away 2. So that's 1, 2. How many is left? 1, 2, 3. And then they can choose the correct answer instead of just guessing, because again, guessing isn't really helpful when they have the tools available to them to help them practice solving these problems. Now, again, I know everybody knows how to add and how to subtract, but I just wanted to give you something so that you could see what it looks like to help your child. If you need anything else, please let me know. I'm here to support you in any way that I can.